If a cup of coffee can perk up anyone's day, imagine what a coffee vending machine can do. Place 5 gallons of water onto the machine's water system. Put coffee pre-mix onto the canister inside the machine. Vendo coffee machine can accommodate maximum of 3 flavors. Place the 5 peso coin in the coin sensor. Put the cups in the cup dispenser. Turn on the power on the machine. During this time, the machine will start its water heating process. You need to wait until the machine has reached the needed temperature to dispense hot coffee, when the monitor will display 00 pesos. This means that the machine is ready to dispense coffee. To test, insert a 5 peso coin and press the desired flavor. Wait for the machine to dispense the hot coffee and enjoy! You can have this coffee vending machine package at a very affordable price.